Lakad-lakad tayo guys. Gabi. Dito sa... Hinaganap ko yun kuya? Anong pangalan na nito? Underpass Connecting Bridge. Dito sa QC and going to Circle.
Westland. Quezon City, Memorial City, going towards going towards Wildlife.
Ay, wildlife. Maganda yung ano niya, connecting bridge niya. Ang dami rin. Oh, pwede rin ito. Picture dyan daw.
Ito maganda.
Picture. Maliwanag.